Have you ever spent hours studying, feeling like you're getting everything, but when the exam comes, your mind goes blank? It's frustrating, right? Well, the problem isn't you, it's how your brain is wired. Here's why you forget so quickly and how to fix it. Why this happens. The biggest mistake: passive learning. Just reading, highlighting, or rewriting notes feels productive, but your brain doesn't actually absorb much. There's something called the forgetting curve. If you don't review new information, you'll forget nearly 50% of it by the next day. That's why cramming before an exam rarely works. And let's talk about fake productivity. Rewriting notes makes you feel like you're studying, but if you're not actively testing yourself, your brain isn't storing the information properly. How to fix it first? Active recall. Instead of just reading, close your book and try to remember what you learned. Ask yourself questions like, what are the key points? If you can't recall them, you didn't really learn them. Second, the Feynman Technique. Try explaining the topic in simple words as if teaching a 5-year-old. If you struggle, go back and relearn it. Third, spaced repetition. Study in short, spaced-out sessions. Review today, then in 2 days, then in a week. This forces your brain to remember information for the long term. Finally, change how you study. Use flashcards, practice tests, and teach someone else. The more effort your brain puts into recalling information, the stronger your memory becomes. You're not bad at studying. You just need the right techniques. Try these for a week and see the difference. And hey, what's your worst study habit? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, maybe hit the like button too.